Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Robinhood with two-factor authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with two-factor authentication on Robinhood, first, open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account icon located in the bottom right corner of the home screen. In the account menu, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Security or Security and Privacy and select it. Inside the security settings, locate the section titled Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Enable to start the setup process for two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to verify your identity, usually by entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After verification, you will have the option to choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. Popular methods include using an authentication app or receiving text messages. If you choose an authentication app, download and install a trusted app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the authentication app to your Robinhood account. This typically involves scanning a QR code displayed on the screen. If you opt for text messages, ensure your phone number is accurate and can receive texts. Once you make your choice, Robinhood will send you a confirmation code to complete the setup. Enter the confirmation code in the required field on the app. After successfully entering the code, two-factor authentication will be activated. You can now securely log in using your password and the second factor whenever prompted. It's essential to keep your authentication app or phone accessible for future logins. If you ever change your phone number or switch devices, remember to update your two-factor settings. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your account remains safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.